How to change your Facebook page name. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I will show you how you can change your Facebook page name. So the very first thing that you should do is make sure you install the latest version of Facebook on your device through the Google Play Store. Make sure you have updated to its latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, you can just tap on the three vertical lines which is on the top right side. After tapping on that, simply tap on the setting option. After tapping on the setting option, a new pop-up will be popped in your screen. Now just scroll down and down up until you see the option of the page setup. The page setup is in the audience and visibility option. So simply tap on your page setup option and you can see everything right here, your name and page status and everything. So just tap on your name, and after that you can simply change your name and then tap review change. Just like this, you can also add any other nicknames of your in the page as well. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video.